Hi, my name is Jay from South Korea. I'm a CEO of PAGINA platform and PAGINA Foundation. I met wonderful guys in Dubai, and actually I met them in Singapore though. QUICKX is a wonderful project. Don't forget to invest, okay? You must invest, never miss it. If you miss to invest QUICKX, you're gonna fail. Trust me. Thank you.
Back in 2016, we started this adventure with a pool of $500,000. By the end of 2018, we had a pool of $500 million. We aim to hit $1 billion in 2019.
Whoa, amazing. Thank you so much for watching. When you see this on a YouTube video, please click links underneath here to get more video information. When you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, do so. Get back to the person that sent you to this amazing video. He or she has a huge surprise for you, and then I'll see you and yours definitely on our live streaming sessions, webinars, seminars, Zoom calls, Skype calls, special events, clinics, and wonderful outings. I'll check you soon, and I'll definitely see you on the beaches of the world.